What's up, beardsmen and greasers alike? Welcome to another episode of Beards and Stuff. And today, this is more focused on our beard brothers or our beard bros. Yeah, something like that. We're going to take a look at Eight Wolves pomade, not actually pomade, but Eight Wolves Beard Balm. This is their refreshed maybe tweaked or updated beard balm. So if you haven't seen my very first video about this beard balm, make sure to check it out right here. I'll just put a link up there if I can, but if I can't, then I don't know. I'll just put it in the comment section down below or in the description box. Yeah. And before I start, if I could just ask you a little favor, if you must, because I've noticed out of let's say 100% of the viewers of this channel, those people who are watching my videos from time to time or every time, I don't know, out of 100%, I think there are only 30 to 30% of the people out there that watches my videos who are subscribed to the channel. So if you're one of them who haven't subscribed yet, so make sure to do so. It will greatly help the channel, make the channel grow even bigger, be able to connect to more people, or anything in particular, something similar, something like that. You get the point. And you get to see more awesome videos, reviews, what else? I don't know, everything or anything in between. So anyway, I think this is gonna be a short video and I won't be taking your time too much. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. I hope I get all the points right. I'm not gonna talk too much about it because everything you need to know, like most of the information is back on the very first video or review that I did way back, just a couple months ago. Like I've said, just tap on that what do you call this, information box or something like that, drop down menu. Okay, anyway, so this new updated version of the beard balm, because the one I got before, I got it from their website. I ordered it from their website, eightwolves.com, or anything like that. It's still the same price, 350 pesos in a 50-gram tin can. Same look, same stick on label, same, like I said, same price, same ingredients. And so what's different about this new retweaked or updated version of Eight Wolves Beard Balm is it has something to do with consistency. Consistency. Of course, the scoop out, and a little bit something about the scent. So what I'm going to show you is a side-by-side comparison of the previous version and the updated version. So the one that's available in the market right now, the one that Eight Wolves is selling, is their updated version, because I think that's much more appropriate, but you'll see in the side-by-side comparison. Okay, then I won't keep you for long, so take a look at this. guys, you can actually see a big difference from both of the products, from the previous version to the new and updated version. So I think there's no need for me to explain more further the difference between both of the versions, from the previous version to the updated version. Although I just want to share my thoughts on it, what I like about it, what I don't like about it. Of course, the consistency, the scoop out, the spreadability, and a little bit of something to do with the scent. So as you can see, the consistency, it's very unique, it's very different, it's highly unusual over beard balms. You know, you can actually see some tiny beads in there. Yeah, that's interesting. And also the scoop out, you don't need much effort to dispense the product or take out the product. And the spreadability, it's very easy, although you might feel those beads at first, but then the more you spread it, it'll just melt away. And also the scent, I think Eight Wolves kind of mellowed down the scent a bit. It's not as strong as the previous version, and I like it. It doesn't hit you right up the moment you open the can. Okay, so things that I don't like the beard balm, maybe a thing, just one thing, is that they don't have scent options. It's only available in vanilla scent, so there you have it. But still, if you wanna check them out, you can browse through their Facebook page or Instagram page, or better yet, you can check them out at their website, eightwolves.com.ph, if I'm not mistaken. There on their website, you can see a bunch of other cool stuffs like pomade, shirts, beard oils, anything like that, pins or whatnot. And I highly recommend the product, and I like using it even more. And you can also check out their beard oil to pair with your beard balm. And that's it for this product revisit or product update. And yeah, if you think that I missed something, or something that I didn't mention, or something I forgot, or anything in particular, just leave them in the comment section down below. Anyway, that's it for today, and I'll see you in... No, before that, please subscribe. Don't forget that. Just something, somewhere along down there. Yeah, subscribe. Okay? So anyway, that's it for today, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. And once again, you're watching the most awesome, amazing, fantastic YouTube channel to date! I'm Luigi, and you're watching Beards and Stuff. If you think that I missed something I forgot to say, I forgot to mention, or anything in particular, just leave them in the comment section down below. Why do I keep stuttering? Maybe I need a freaking haircut or something. Yeah, you can see that. I need a goddamn haircut.